How to move buttons in Shopify. So this is super simple. All we have to do is click on online store from the left hand side, and this will automatically take us to the themes page. Right here, we want to scroll down a little bit until we see the option to customize. So just click on customize on your current theme, and you need to find the button which you want to move. So for example, I want to move this shop all button. If I try dragging and dropping it, it doesn't work. So what we actually have to do is locate it from the left hand side here. It will appear like so, buttons. And if we want to change its position, we will click on these 6 dots on the left hand side or on the left of buttons, and we will simply drag it and drop it where we want. So for example, if I want to paste it above browse our latest products, I will just leave it like so, and as you can see, it just changed positions. So you can repeat this for any section which you want from your template here on your Shopify store. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.